Krishna students, please open your Sanskrit book, page number 106. Today we are going to learn Dhatu Vyavahara. Okay, that means how we can use the Dhatu in a Kriya, that is in a verb. Dhatu is the root of the verb. So from root only tree is going up. So as it is, from Dhatu only Sanskrit verb or Sanskrit Kriya roof growing up. Okay, মানে ধাতু থেকেই বলতে পারো যে ক্রিয়াপদের সৃষ্টি. Okay, so before this we have to know the rules. You know Lotraka rules also and Litlaka rules also you know, but again I want to remember you and I want to say you that you have to write here only. এখানে জানলেও আরেকবার লিখে নাও. Okay, so let's see Lotlaka rules. Lot means present tense. See the rules. Titaha anti, sithaha tha, ami abaha amaha. Titaha anti, sithaha tha, ami abaha amaha. Okay. Then let lakar. Let lakar means future tense. Okay. Lot means present tense. Let means future tense. And what are the let lakar rules? Same as it is titaha anti sithaha tha ami abaha amaha. Here also see titaha anti sithaha tha ami abaha amaha. But one thing you have to add, that is isya. Isya plus ti isyati, isya plus taha isyataha, isya plus anti isyanti. Like this it will come. So isyati isyataha isyanti, isyasi isyataha isyata, isyami isyavaha isyamaha. See? Okay now? You have to write here only. Okay, so that whenever you will read this chapter, you have to memorize first the rules, then you will see the example. Now directly come to the example. Horse, this is the dhatu. Horse means laughing. Horse plus you will add the rules. Here lot locker, so lot locker rules. What are the lot locker rules? These rules you will add. Titahanti. So see, हसती हसता हसंती, हससी हसता हसता, हसामी हसवः हसामः. Okay, but one thing you have to know that verb blindly follow the subject. Verbs are blindly follows the subject, so you have to know the subject, then you have to apply the verb. So titahanti প্রথম পুরুষ রুলস. প্রথম পুরুষ মিন্স থার্ড পারসন, দ্যাট মিন্স সামন এলস, অন্য কেউ, নট আই নট ইউ, থার্ড পারসন, সামন এলস. ওকে, দ্যাটস ওয়াই ইট ইজ রিটেন হিয়ার সহ অর সা, দ্যাট মিন হি অর সি অর মেবি এনি নেম, দেন অলসো ইউ হ্যাভ টু পুট হেয়ার অনলি ইন প্রথম পুরুষ, যে কোনো নাম. ওকে, লাইক গজহ, লাইক লতা, লাইক রামহ, লাইক বালিকা, like shikshakah, like you can say anything, any house name, any mankind name, any animal's name. Okay, anything except I or you, everything should be prothom purush. Okay, like he or she. He, saw means he, sa means she. So ti rules. Then divachan, definitely subject should be divachan. Saha to, sha te. Okay, বহুবচন, সাবজেক্ট শুড বি বহুবচন. সহ তো তে, সা তে তাহা. ওকে, হাসতি হাসতা হাসন্তি. নেক্সট মধ্যম পুরুষ. মধ্যম পুরুষ মিন্স সি থহ থ ইজ দ্য মধ্যম পুরুষ রুলস. সি থহ থ মধ্যম পুরুষ রুলস. মধ্যম পুরুষ মিন্স ইউ, ইউ টু, ইউ অল. You means Tom, you two, you bum, you all, you yum. Tom, you bum, you yum. You two, you all. Okay, there you have to use si-tha-tha rules, but not with the subject. You have to add those rules with the verb, but verb should follow the subject. That means which subject should be there, same verb will be there. That means same rules will be there. If Tom will be there, definitely C rules. If Aham should be there, then Ami rules. Like it will come in. Okay. So Uttam Purush means I, we two, we all. Aham, Abam, Boyam. Okay, I means aham, abam means we two, boyam means we all. So that time should be rules with the verb. With verb it will add ami, abaho, amaho rules. So hasami, hasabaha, hasamaha. Okay. Next, lot lakar. Please cross it and write no need. Then hosh lit lakar. I told na ishyati, ishyataha, ishyanti rules. So see, subject should be same. Just for the lit lakar, just add instead of titaha, it will add ishyati, ishyata, ishyanti. So see, hasishyati, hasishyata, hasishyati, hasishyataha, hasishyanti, hasishyati, hasishyataha, hasishyata, hasishyami, hasishyavaha, hasishyamaha. Okay. Now go to the next page. See, tree. Tree means swimming. From tree to toro came. So with toro only we have to add the rules. See, subject all are same. Tarati, this is lot lakar. So present tense. Tarati, taratah, taranti. Tarasi, taratha, taratha. Tarami, taravaha, taramaha. Okay. Now next. Lot lakar. Please cross it and write no need. Then tree. This is lit lakar. That means future tense. So ishyati, ishyatah, ishyanti rules. So let's see. Tarishyati, tarishyataha, tarishyanti, tarishyasi, tarishyataha, tarishyatha, tarishyami, tarishyavaha, tarishyamaha. Okay. Subject should be same. Bhu dhatu. From bhu to bhavo came. So with bhavo we have to add the rules. This is lot lakar, present tense. So tita honti rules. Bhavati, bhavatah, bhavanti, bhavasi, bhavatah, bhavata, bhavami, bhavavaha, bhavamaha. Okay. Now bhu dhatu, lot lakar. Lot lakar, that's why cross it and write no need. Now go to the next page. That means page number 108. See, from bhu to bhavo came before only I told. Now lit lakar, that means bhavishyat kal. That means present tense. Bhavishyat ka, ishya will come. So Bhavishyati, bhavishyataha, bhavishyanti, bhavishyasi, bhavishyatha, bhavishyata, bhavishyami, bhavishyavaha, bhavishyamaha. Okay. Now, os dhatu. Os dhatu, lot lakar. Okay. Os always little different. And lot lakar means present tense. So, tita honti rules. Asti, staha, santi, asi, sthaha, stha, asmi, svaha, smaha. Now next one, os dhatu, lot lakar. Cross it and write no need. This much only your CW, but one more interesting things are here. Os dhatu. Os धातु के रूप भी लिट लकार में भू धातु के समान ही होते हैं. That means the same धातु रूप will be here also if it is लिट लकार. माने os धातुर लिट लकारे सेम रूप होबे. So we can write here भू धातु और os धातु. Osh. भू and os same रूप. Os also bhavishyati, bhavishyatah, bhavishyanti, bhavishyasi, bhavishyatah, bhavishyatah, bhavishyami, bhavishyavaha, bhavishyamaha. But in lit lakar, that means in future tense. Only in future tense it should be same in bhu or in osh, but not in present tense. Present tense should be totally different, but future tense should be as it is like a bhu dhatu. Okay. So this is only os dhatu lit lakar. This is only bhu dhatu lit lakar. Okay. Remember these things. I'll give in your exam. Definitely these things will come. So Hare Krishna, this much only your work. Memorize it. Okay. And what I wrote with the pencil, you have to write it. And this rules also. Okay. Hare Krishna.